what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. Man, look at the makeup on this steering wheel. I believe this is foundation because it's oil-based. No matter what you do, this stuff is impossible to get off, but I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to get this stuff off with Fireball Nappa Cleaner. I swear this makeup just runs off this steering wheel as I'm spraying it. Normally I use a Fireball Nappa brush, but I am out of those, so I am using a Scrub Ninja. And you really don't have to let this dwell and soak very long. The Nappa Cleaner really goes to work right away. I don't know if it's coming through on the video here, but this steering wheel is just transforming before your very eyes. You don't need to use a lot of product, you just need to get the surface you are trying to clean wet. And for those extra caked on spots, give it a little extra spritz, a little scrub, and look at the surface of this Scrub Ninja. That thing is nasty, filled with makeup. One side of the steering wheel is practically white, and the other side is dark gray. This stuff works awesome for makeup. Gonna grab an interior microfiber here, mop it up, and I'll bring you in for a first person view of a 50-50 shot. You can get 500 mils for $19.99, a 4-liter jug for $59.99, or you can get an 18.75 liter or 5-gallon jug for $2.49. In no time at all, you're gonna get this steering wheel clean, bringing you in here for a 50-50 view. That thing is white on the left-hand side. Just look at all that freaking makeup. You know, and I've been told by the ladies that it does not wash off. Doesn't wash off your hands. And I think the only way that, and this will sound silly, I think the only way to keep this off of the interiors of vehicles is to have the ladies wear latex gloves. You know, just like I am here trying to clean this steering wheel. I know it sounds silly, but it does get, I don't want to say repetitive, but I have cleaned more makeup off of steering wheels, of interiors, and the turn signal levers, and windshield wiper levers, just all in a day's work of cleaning the interior of a vehicle. And I wanted to bring everybody in for the experience to show how easy and simple and quick, in under 6 minutes, I've got the steering wheel, both the levers, not only cleaned, but protected as well. I wish I had a shot video of it. There was also some melted, just smeary crayon on the back seat, on the bolster part you sit on. And I had to let it soak for a little bit, but the Nappa Cleaner took the melted crayon right off of this leather seat. It was unbelievable. I really kicked myself after I had it cleaned, and I didn't even think about shooting footage of it, and that was an epic fail on my part. It's happened once or twice that after I thought about it, I wish I'd have gotten footage of something. And I'm not telling you should run out and buy some Nappa Cleaner. I'm sure Luke at Fireball would love that. If everybody that watched this video ran out and bought Nappa Cleaner as a business owner, I would love that as well. But if you got something that works, keep using it. I'm just sharing our experience of how quick and easy this was, or is, however you want to look at it. And for protection, we're going to use Nappa Coat. This is 3 to 6 month interior ceramic protection. You can use it on leather, plastic trim, going to give it a little shake. I like to spray it into a microfiber applicator, work the product in, buttons, trim, you name it. It does not leave any high spots behind. I'll bring in a interior microfiber that I like to use for this and just mop up the excess and knock it back a little bit, and it gives a nice deep, rich satin look. You get 500 milliliters of this for $21.99, 4 liters for $124.99, and a 5-gallon jug for $244.99. What do y'all think out there? Did this thing turn out great and look amazing or what? If you have any questions about any of the products that we use or showcase, please reach out to me anytime at info@northtexasceramiccoatings.com. You can call or text me anytime at 945-249-5429. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing, located in Little Elm, Texas. We will see everybody in the next video. Have a great week, y'all. See y'all soon.